Alright guys, so today is Wednesday, March 20th. It's the first day of spring. These last 2 days have been extremely tough trying to fish. I actually did catch one fish yesterday. However, for some reason my memory card on my GoPro got corrupted, so I was unable to share the outing with you. But today more than made up for it. So let's get into it. Happy spring, everybody. What's going on, guys? I'm here today at the preserve. I decided today I would come back and explore this river. Actually, every time I've come here I've said I'm going to explore, but then I just get caught up fishing the same locations. So today I'm here, I'm going to explore this river a bit and see what I can pull out of it. The last few days have been pretty tough as far as fishing goes. Yesterday I only caught one fish. This is actually I have a week off from school, and I took a week off from work. I was planning to go backpacking, but my girlfriend actually got a new job, so I had to cancel that. So I have this week pretty much to just fish and explore. However, it's been rough these last 2 days. So hopefully my luck improves and I can pull some fish out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up and get started. See you in a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. Just a little underspin, see how it goes. Go. Fish on. What do we got? Little bluegill. First fish, little bluegill. Just let him go. Oh, that's even better. Fish number 2. Fish number 2. These things are really good fighters, man. Especially for their size. This thing's not that big and it fought pretty well. Respect. Let them go. Just letting it drop some, giving some switches up. And there we, is it on? It's on. Tiny bluegill. Alright, fish number 3. Another little bluegill. Fought pretty well, let's let him go. So what I'm doing is I'm just walking down this river and looking for little current breaks. I'm going over and casting into them. And another one. Ow. Puffing up on me. Hold on, buddy. There's little teeth on him. Pretty little guy. I like the way their eyes are shaped. Let's let him go. So I was actually told that these fish school, but I have no idea if they do or not. That's 2 from the same spot. Let's see if we can get a third. Seem to be loving this underspin this morning. What is another They're really digging the underspin this morning. So let them go. Yeah, they have to school. I'm just pulling them out one after the other now. They're not that big, but it feels good to be catching all these. Fishing had been so slow the last 2 days. This guy engulfed it. There we go. Guess these things are schooling. There he is. Just let him go. Oop, there he goes. Just let him go. Well, the underspin sure didn't last long. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out baits and see what else I can throw out here. Little bluegill showed up. Another little bluegill. Oh, snagged on it. Whoa, I'm not snagged. Oh, what was that? What on earth? Thought it was snagged. Oh man. That's crazy. Whatever that was big. See if we can get something. Yeah, there's some type of drop off right here. I think the fish are below it, but there's all this debris in the water and keeping it snagged. Throw it out to a different area. There we go. Another little bluegill. Another little bluegill. Pretty as the last one. A little bit bigger too. It's probably about 7 inches, 7.5. Biggest one of the day. Another little bluegill. I know it's not a bluegill. What is this? Oh, red breast. Nice. Alright, another species, little red breast sunfish. Let's let them go. Pretty little fish. Big bluegill. Another nice sized bluegill, man. Guy fought pretty well. Just let him go. Well, this trail ended. There's another trail that I can go down to keep exploring, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's such a beautiful day out. Excellent fishing today. Couldn't ask for more. Alright, so I got about 30 more minutes left until I have to leave. I'm going to throw on one last bait for the day and see if I can get anything with that. If not, it's been an excellent day. I couldn't have asked for more. Finally got a bite and missed it. There we go. Finally. Nice size bluegill. Man, look at the size of this bluegill. Biggest one of the day so far. Fought pretty well, let's let him go. So I just finished fishing. Today ended up being an awesome first day of spring. Hope you guys are all out there catching fish. Catch you next time.